Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on order of operation. You can see here is written the answer is not 5. So when we get the answer 5, when we simplify in a wrong way. So which one is wrong way and which one is right way? So first of all, know we knowing the wrong way. So we simplify from left to right. So 35 minus 10 is 35 minus 10 equal to 25. Okay, when 25 divided by 5 will get the 5. So this is wrong way. So why this wrong way? Because in multiplication order of operation we use the BOD mass. Okay, so 35 is same minus, first we simplify the division. 10 divided 5 is 2, and now 35 minus 2 is 33. 33 is the right answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.